Hello and good afternoon, everybody over at On Time Professionals. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I wanted to send you guys this video over to you, kind of showing how you guys can start getting more customers in the quote-unquote door or on your guys' website every single month and turning those people into actual paying customers. There's a few things we're going to go over. First being the website, right? We have it up here right now. We're going to go over keywords. We're going to go over the SEO side of it, as well as the Google My Business profile or map pack section online. But for right now, let's start with this. We have your guys' website. Awesome website. I love the little logo you guys have here with the, what would you call them, little bitmojis, I guess you could say. That's super cool. And then you have some pictures starting out. You got a couple videos, a couple photos here, and you have your content, right? And you guys actually have an all right amount of content, but I'd like to see a lot more. And so would Google. Google loves content. They want to see tons of it. The average homepage has anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content. Not just any kinds of content, but keyword-rich content, right? We want to figure out what people are searching in your area so that they can find your services. And we want to have that into our content online. And one way we can figure that out is with a tool I like to use. It's called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool, but there is free softwares out there that you can help figure this out. Google offers it as well. So this information is out there and it's available. But one thing we're going to look at here is your guys' keywords and your SEO, or your backlinks and your referring domains, right? So we get a base guideline right now. You have 160 backlinks, 41 referring domains, 181 organic keywords, and your website is generating roughly 84 people per month, which is pretty good, but the possibilities are endless when it comes to it, and I'll show you that in a second. But one thing that we can do is we can compare all of your guys' backlinks right here, right? We can see what you guys have right now, as well as your keywords, and we can compare that to your competition, right? If you guys aren't in the top position on Google or online, you're probably wondering why, right? And these are the reasons as to why, right? We can figure out what you have for backlinks, what you have for keywords, domains, and so on and so forth. And like I said, we can compare that to your competition. We're going to Mr. Electric as our comparable, right? These guys are absolutely crushing it in the online digital marketing space. So they're doing something right. Let's figure out what they're doing right, and we copy and paste it, more or less. Excuse me. And we copy and paste what they're doing, more or less. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back into Ahrefs. Excuse me. Once this wants to load for me. All right, we're going to do a quick pause until this all loads up. Alrighty, guys, here we are back again and everything loaded up. So, quick preview, right? We're going to look at all your guys' numbers and we're going to figure out what is possible in a digital marketing space, right? What can we do online to really grow our presence and start grabbing more customers every single month? What it entails is numbers. It's basically a volume game, right? We want to have the volume. We also want to have the quality of backlinks, the quality of keywords. I'll go in and explain that a little bit here. And so for backlinks, we have certain types of backlinks. We have do follow links, we have no follow links, there's citations, there's guest posts, there's link juice that we can add. You know, there's all kinds of it, right? But again, going to backlinks, that's pretty self-explanatory, right? Showed you that a little bit before. I'm going to explain a bit about keywords, right? Why keywords are important. Oh, maybe we went into the wrong one here. So we're going to go back. Same thing, we can compare all those backlinks, right? But we're going to go into keywords right now. So these guys have 61,000 keywords, organic keywords, right? So keywords are out there, we just got to go find it. So a few of the things that keywords are awesome is because we can figure out what the search volume is, right? So for this one in particular, lamp repair near me. If you guys repair lamps, awesome. We'll put this in your guys' website, and 1,800 people are going to find you every single month. As of right now, Mr. Electric is in the 10th position, right? We can compare and contrast, and I could do this all day long, right? So, same thing, electrical repair near me. You guys probably do electrical repair. You probably want to have this keyword on the site right now, right? I mean, it's getting 4,800 search volume every single month. And Mr. Electric's only in position number 5, so there's room for you guys to sneak up in there. But with that being said, well, that finishes up the SEO website end of things. And we're also going to go into Google My Business profile or Google My Business, right? So when we search the keyword electricians Iowa, first thing that pops up for us is an ad, right? Ads are a great way to attract customers. It puts you right at the top of the Google listings. You don't have to worry about being organic. You can just pay Google and they'll put you on the top. It works. But another place we want to be is right here, the Google My Business section of the map pack, right? It shows a little map of where it is down in Iowa. We want to be here. But in order to be here, we have to be in the organic section, which is below here. We have to be on this first or second page in order to even make it to these 3 spots. As you can see, there's 600, 400, reviews, and we can kind of compare to you guys and figure out what you guys are doing. On Time Professional. You guys are getting there. You have 95, right? Just keep adding this, and sure enough, the top and no. So, with that being said, guys, over at On Time Professionals, my name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Wanted to give you this video for some free information to start boosting your online marketing presence. Hope this helps. Hope you guys have a great day.